we are Bahama bound. Our mission is to bounce along the Bahamas chain of islands, scoping out airports, marinas, hotels, and dive sites. But first, we head south from Spruce Creek to Fort Lauderdale. Where we will fuel up, visit the cafe, pick up Captain Bart, and chase the sun to Chub Cay, Bahama.
A lot of nothing out in the water. Right.
Now that we've arrived, Pilot Phil prepares the helicopter for an overnight stay. We check in with Customs and Immigration, then take a short ride to see our beautiful beach front villas. Sit by the pool, dip in the warm ocean, visit the local restaurants and bar, and of course, watch the sun set and the sun rise. Then we lift off towards NASA Cay.
Alright, where's your marina?
For some more fuel and to submit another flight plan so we can don our life jackets and fly further south to scout out marinas, coastal waterways, and runways to land.
We're not landing here. Unless we have permission somewhere, but...
Now that we are getting closer to today's destination, we need to make a quick stop at Stella Maris to fuel up once again and introduce ourselves to Customs. Before we head towards Stedman's Cay Airport, Pilot Phil gives us a bird's eye view of Dean's Blue Hole.
There is a lot of good diving in this area.
And the Flying Fish Marina.
There's a pretty good sized boat there right now.
Yep.
Now it's time to unload our gear, grab some grub, and our rental car. Then follow signs to the marina, hotel, and restaurant. The next day, we venture to the beach to explore the remote landscape and to sink in Bahama's deepest blue hole. Then we hop back in the helicopter to refuel in the Exumas. And follow the islands north to Staniel Cay. After landing, we skip over to the marina. And toward the island. Then prep the helicopter for our final legs back home.
Ooh, doggies.